Alright, got them looking pretty straight. Just gonna slap these tires back on. Torque these wheels. They look pretty good though. We'll get these tires on and we'll go give it a little test. Unfortunately I don't have a GoPro charged and ready, so hopefully this works. The camera's just on the tripod, but big steering difference already. That's pretty sweet. This angle kit's supposed to speed up your steering reaction time too, so that's pretty tits. We're just gonna try one quick spin, see what it does.
Alright, this first test drive is before we did any alignment or like adjustments with the tow, but we were just in a hurry because I wanted to give my boy a ride, man. He sent it with the Chevelle, so I had to risk my tie rods for him. But it was good, man. It worked out, so that's why the front end was fighting me a little bit though.
Hell yeah, dude. Finally giving my boy a run. Hell yeah. Oh, dude, big difference. It's a little bit harder to drive now because the grip's different on the steering with the angle, but I'll figure it out. Hell yeah.
That's badass, bro. Thanks.
We did it. She rips. Tie rods didn't snap, we're safe. It's a little bit different to drive now with the extra angle. Steering's faster, more angle.
Alright, this is a couple days later after we aligned it. We're just checking and filling it out before the event.
The steering wheel already feels better though from the last time, like grip wise and steering. See, I told you the wheel got crooked on that last one, but it was like that.
Don't do that, just let it go straight.
It drives straight, it's just the wheel's crooked. Oh, I get what you're saying.
Okay, that's pretty tight.
Yeah, you gotta love it.
That's pretty tight.
Yeah. Dude, that's the one awesome thing about angle kits is, dude, it makes your turning radius so crazy. When you have the 90-degree angle kits, you can turn on a fucking dime.
Well, I don't think it's more or less going the other way, even though your wheels.
It's just a little crooked. It's not a big deal. I can fix that. Hell yeah. See you boys at the drift event, baby.
Stay tuned for the ISS 2-day drift event. If you're new here and enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the YBC team. Thanks for watching, and until next time.
KCYBC.
Yeah.